Hello everyone, welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel. In this video I am going to discuss about the string in the Python. Last video I already discussed about the variable and also I discussed about the arithmetic operation. So if you didn't get a chance, please watch the video number 6 and 5 before starting this video. And if you want to enroll any of the courses, you can enroll on the link which is given in the video description. And also if you not like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe button as well. So let's start with the string in the function. So basically a string is play a very important role in any type of the data. So in data we always have more than 70 to 80% data of the data type is the string. So you can keep more time on this understanding of the string, because this is a very basic or base area where you are an expert in the Python. So in this video I am going to discuss two things, while how we can create a string, and also we'll discuss string indexing and slashing. Indexing and slashing are very useful in all the like the tuples, like the list, like the dictionary, how we can use. And to filter the data in the data analytics area, we always use the concept of the index and slashing. Next video I will discuss about the built-in method in the string, what built-in method is available. So basically whenever you pass any of the value which is the single inverted comma, string is nothing but character, but in single inverted comma if you pass any of the integer value also, it will be string. So here hello and Pandey Guruji I pass here, but you can see the print will be perform only Pandey Guruji. So Python by default they print the last value, but if you want to print both the value, you can use the print function. So hello is the string, and basically if you pass any type of the data, like you can pass the multiple word as well, like hi, I am a string in Python. So this will be also run the code. But what will be happen, if you have the text like I am a data scientist, like something this, so the Python kernel, they not able to understand that why you have the three single inverted comma. So if you try to run this type of the value, you will get an invalid syntax. So how you can fix it? So in the Python you can use the double inverted comma as well. So in this situation you can go with the double inverted comma. So if you run this code, this will be basically a string, and I am a data scientist will be print. So the single inverted comma and the double inverted comma both are same. Either you can go with the single inverted comma, or either you can go with the double inverted comma. Any integer value if you pass within the single inverted comma, it will be string. How you can figure it out, is it a string or the integer? So you can assign the any of the variable. So last video I discussed that how we can create the variable. So I'm creating one variable 1, and assigning the value 1 to 50, and I'm checking that by using the type function. So if you run the code, you can see this is the string data type, okay. But if you remove the single inverted comma here, now you can see what will be happen. So this is the integer. So if any value without integer value, without in single inverted comma, so it will be integer, but if you put the single inverted comma, it will be string, okay. So like same one you can perform the next I am going to show you the string indexing, how the indexing will be work. So if you assign any of the value, so I am creating one variable and assigning the one value, that is the hello word. So if you execute this one, the value will be assigned here, okay. So the value will be assigned like the 0 0 1 2 3 4. Let me show you here. Okay, so this data tag we have this hello world. So this will be 0, this will be 1 2 3 4 5, like so on. So you can see this is the length of this variable is 11, and indexing will be performed like this h0 e1 to so on. So if you want to retrieve the only h, okay, like the SQL we use the substring function. So here you can use the indexing. So if you pass the 0, like for example, let me copy this hello world, okay, and we can paste here. So we can paste here hello world. So now you can see h is the 0 position. So if I run this code, h will be printed. Okay, like suppose if I am passing here 3 means fourth word. So 3 the sorry 3 is the second word. So L third word. So L will be printed. So like this, if you pass the fourth word, so 4 will be printed here in the string. So same thing, if you have some type of the reverse indexing as well, you can pass the -1 -2. Basically, and one more concept is the slicing. Slicing is the basically used to slice the value, like start, stop, and how many steps we need to be take. So suppose if I assign this value here, so if you assign this value, the index notation will be so like A0 something, A B C D. So if I pass the 311, the starting position is 3 and ending position will be 11, like so on. If you pass the column 6, 0 to 6 value we need to be print here, like so on. Okay, so like this the indexing will be work here. So you can download this file from the video description link, and you can do the practice. Okay, so if you do more practice, then you can understand. And next video I will discuss about the built-in function which is available in the string. Meanwhile, if you have any question, if you have any doubt, you can directly put the question in the video description, and we'll pick up all the questions from the video description. So thank you so much for the watching this video. We'll meet again next one. Thank you.